Hey there Discord users! In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of changing your Discord profile picture right from your Android device. First of all, unlock your smartphone and locate the Discord app icon. Tap on it to open the app. Once the Discord app is open, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up your user setting menu. From here, tap on the Edit Profile option. This will allow you to make changes to your profile, including your profile picture. Next, tap on your current profile picture to bring up the various options. From here, tap on the Change Avatar to change your profile picture. You can choose a picture from your device gallery. Once you have selected a new picture, you will have the option to crop and adjust it to your liking. Once you are happy with the result, tap on the right click and Save button to set it as your new profile picture. That's it, you have successfully changed your Discord profile picture. Now you can enjoy your fresh new look and stand out in the Discord community. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial on how to change your Discord profile picture. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy chatting guys!